One of the most distressing situations that an immigrant can face in the United States is being taken into custody by the Department of Homeland Security and held in a detention center pending deportation proceedings. When an individual is taken into custody, it is possible in some instances to be released under an immigration bond. But before someone can apply for an immigration bond, it's important for an attorney to work with that individual and their families to get the answers to three important questions. Is the person eligible to apply for a bond? Is there evidence that they are a danger to the community? And is there evidence that they are a flight risk? Certain people who have been convicted of criminal offenses, have final orders of deportation, or are considered arriving aliens in the United States are not eligible to apply for bonds. And so an immigration bond should not be what an attorney is pursuing with the family. If there's evidence that the person has been a danger to others in the past, there has been prior arrests for domestic violence, or even driving under the influence, it's important that these things be addressed and explained to an immigration court if the person is going to stand a good chance of getting an immigration bond. And finally, it's important to show that the person is not a flight risk. If they are released from custody and entrusted to come back to court on their own, that they will return to court voluntarily. And one very important question in determining that the person is not a flight risk is showing the immigration judge that there is a real solid way that the person is going to be able to fix their case in immigration court. So it's very important in these cases that an attorney meet with the immigrant and their family members very early in the process to prepare the strongest possible bond motion to stand the best chance for being released from custody. At the law offices of Robert M. Bell, PA, we have extensive experience working in the immigration courts to help immigrants to be released from custody after being taken into detention.